What's up peeps, welcome back to my channel, JR here. So today we're going to do something a little different as per the video title. So today I'm going to cut my own hair. I've actually done this quite some time now. It's probably been what, two to 3 years now. I've been cutting my own hair, just that I have not filmed it, so this is my first time. I don't know how it's gonna go. To prep myself, I actually first wash my hair, clean it up, and then I'm gonna show you how I do it. And here are the tools. Okay, so here it is. Basically it's this, the main thing that we're gonna use. It's a Philip, I forgot what model is it. It's a wireless hair clipper. Okay, charges wirelessly, so it's quite convenient. Can we see the model number here? Oh, I think it is HC3515. Okay, so I hope that helps. Whew, oh my God, I'm sweating. Okay, I forgot to add, there's actually one more thing. You need a mirror, a small portable mirror, so that I can see my back. See my back when I'm cutting. Okay, and also because for us guys, mostly our hair grows a bit faster on the sides. The sides grow at the same length that it makes us look puffier at the side. I don't know whether you guys notice, but this is what I'm gonna try to remove my sides. Okay, without further ado, let's start. Okay, I'm tapping on number 3 because that's the shortest that I can go. Okay, hello guys, so this is me after the fact that I'm recording myself. So what I'm doing here, what am I doing here? Oh, I'm trimming the sides with the number 3, but as you can see, I trim only a little. I don't go too far yet, so that's my comfortable length, so I'll just do a little bit. The length is about the same length as the trimmer, so now I'm going through the back, so you can see I do some hand gymnastics. Yeah, trim those hair, baby. Okay, and then I'm marrying myself a bit. Okay, moving on, I trim my right, so I'm going on to my left. Okay, same thing. And going up, I try to maintain at a line, which I don't know whether you guys can see on my right side there. Yup, there, that line, yup. And I'm doing a shark because baby shark is in my head. And then baby shark. Okay. Trim, same thing. Going up. Okay, I pull my face a bit so that it straightens the skin, so it's easier to trim. And then same thing, trim. Faster lah. Oh, I know why. I'm aiming at the hairs behind my ear, so it's a bit hard to reach actually. So actually you can see my right side also. Hi. Yup, see that hair? OMG, that hair. Okay. So there's a lot of hair. And then okay, I'm moving on to number 5. So number 5 is a little longer length. So actually the number represents the shorter it is, the shorter your hair will be. So there. So number 5. Going on. Chop. So you can see I'm like doing like a partially something like a undercut. So I'll just part myself where I don't want it to be cut, and then I'll just trim off whatever is there. And because I'm using number 5, so it won't go too short, because the shortest I go with number 3. And yeah, you can see there's a difference already. And then I'm going through. So basically what I'm doing is I can see from the mirror. So the hair, it's about, how do I put this? It's straight. So you can see I'm pushing the hair back, so from the mirror it will make my face look slimmer. Yeah, so I'm trimming, same thing on my left side. And then you can see I can push the trimmer to my back, towards my back. Yeah, good job, man. Yep. Okay. and then tidy up a bit so that it's even, but usually it's not. Okay, yep, admiring myself. Yep, so handsome. Okay, do some checking. Yep. Okay, so what am I doing now? Oh, what am I doing now? I'm using number 5 and I'm cutting more at the back. Yep. So it's quite, I'm evening up the areas. Okay. Yep. So you can see the difference now. It's significantly shorter. Okay, there's a lot of hair. Yep. Oh, by the way, right, during this whole hair trimming process, right, I sweat like mad, I tell you, no kidding. So this one without the attachment, it will be like shaving with a razor. So it's technically botak level. So I'm shaving off the baby hairs, they call it baby hairs at the end. And here, I wouldn't advise you to do this because this is to trim off the little hairs that's poking out, so that I want to make my face look rounder. Yes, that's a good word, rounder. Yep. So because of once I remove that baby hair, so my hair will become even. Okay, what am I doing here? Oh, I think I've changed to another level of attachment. That's why I sew Ghana so I can go all the way up. This is where I, oh, okay, wipe, sweaty, a lot of sweat. I'm marrying myself also. Yep, so handsome. Yep. Okay, like double checking. It's basically done lah, I would say. And then what am I doing? Okay, this one I remember. This attachment is on number 9. So I'm trimming off a lot of the back hair. So you can see there's a lot of hair falling off. So number 9 is not that short. So I want to make my hair look even per se. Okay. Yup. You look good. Yup. Yeah, baby. Woo. Okay. What now? What are you doing? Finishing up a bit. I think I'm on number 3. So I'm finishing up what's not even at the sides. Yep. Oh, I still didn't get the hair behind my ears. Okay, so I'm gonna go take a shower now, and I'll clean up a bit, and then I'll show you guys the before and after. Can you stop sweating? So there you go, guys. This is I would say a tutorial, maybe not, and the result may not be exactly perfect, but I would say it would last me a good 2 weeks before my top part of my hair grows too long that it's messy and I cannot. Then I have to go back to my regular salon for my regular haircut. And yeah, that's it. So if you guys like my video, do like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Ciao.